Menteri Rangba ka jylla Meghalaya Conrad kes sangma ula pentip baka sorkar jylla kan pynlut kumba shispa klur tingkan hakathong ban penon kam nakabor nakasngi lane ka chief minister's solar mission. Habakran cikilat patai kubor Menteri Rangba ula ong makane commission kan sedang no hau neu benai naitung hakabaki long yeng kin yo jingmantoy. Ula ong bakum ka jing penslor ban penon kam daki kali boarding electric ke sorkar kan kersan ya ki brio ki penon kam daki ni ki jat kali ban kit ya ki nong jungok kai perthai.
We have finalized the paperwork and basic structure. We are hopeful that within this month itself we'll be announcing on almost roughly about 100 crores will be spent from the government side on this project. There will be component of government subsidy, component of loan component, and the individual beneficiaries component also. But we will try our best to maximize the subsidy given from the government side, and the technology will be a basic technology where we will have the solar panels, the battery and the inverter. So it will be a very stable system, and in situations where, as I said, the current is not there, the inverter battery will take over, which will be charged normally by solar. But even if say it's raining and it's not possible, then through the normal circuit also it will charge.
So have you decided on the slabs, because there was a doubt on the slab?
So we are working on it. So we have decided more or less. We are just fine tuning it, and we'll just wait for the actual announcement to take place.
So you've always been an advocate of clean and green energy, reducing the carbon footprint. What about the EV policy that you had passed in the?
Yeah, so we had passed the EV policy and we are trying to encourage people. But of course, it all is a new technology, so it takes time to come in. But then, in order to again push things, we are now going to be also supporting people with EV vehicles to run taxi services, especially to tourist locations and other areas. So that also will be part of our program.